It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 16th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Mild weather with plenty of clouds around today and tomorrow. We'll see a gradual decrease in temperatures as we head toward the weekend. The big question is, will we see any rain to go along with those cooler temperatures? And just how long does the cooler weather last? Well, let's see if we can find some answers as we look out there this morning. 75 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 49. And outside right now here at 6:30 a.m., we have mostly cloudy skies in the valley, and we start this day out at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 36, humidity 48%. The winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning. The cool spots are in the mid-40s, but most of us here in Metro Phoenix are in the low and middle 50s. Water vapor satellite view shows an area of high pressure here across the southwest that is gradually getting broken down by little Pacific short waves passing mainly to the north of Arizona, and thus the increase in clouds and a Clipper type system moving through the eastern half of the country, and that's bringing down some very cold air to the Gulf Coast. Check out the watch warning map this morning. Those are winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories that extend from around San Antonio and Austin, Texas, east to the Houston area through much of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and Georgia. All of those areas could see at least some light snow and certainly some icing issues today. So the Deep South getting another round of snow. It's been a very cold winter down there. All right, on the convective outlook today with Arctic air around, there's going to be no organized areas of severe weather. There's no thunderstorm areas expected across the contiguous United States. And rainfall for the next 7 days in our neck of the woods. Nothing for us here in the valley. At least it doesn't look like it right now. Certainly we'll talk about it, though, as we get out to the models and break down the details of our weather. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon, the upper look at 18,000 feet. There's our ridge here across the southwest. It's breaking down, though. And for today, a few things going on interesting down at the surface. We have that cold air that I talked about going all the way down to the Gulf Coast. And look at that. That is snow down there, San Antonio, Houston, much of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. I mean, that's all snow behind that front. And that front is also pushing westward across the Continental Divide into New Mexico and trying to push into eastern Arizona today. And the consequence of that is, with the high clouds that we have around and a little bit of cold air sneaking in, we'll see temperatures a little bit lower than we've been seeing over the last several days. Instead of highs in the upper 70s to about 80, I think today will be in the low 70s at best here in Phoenix with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, more of the same, mostly cloudy, lows in the 40s. Tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, highs again, upper 60s and low 70s. About the same on Thursday, low 70s with partly cloudy skies. And then Friday, here comes another trough entering the Great Basin. Some winds start to pick up late in the afternoon, especially across northern Arizona. Clouds once again roll in. And Friday night and into Saturday morning, we could see some widely scattered rain and snow showers across northern Arizona. And as we look at Saturday, the question here is, will we see any rain in the valley? This run of the GFS trying to put it down maybe a trace or perhaps 1/100th of an inch. Some very, very light rain possible. But most of the moisture and dynamics are going to stay to the north. Still, with the cooler air, enough mechanical forcing, there could be a light shower. So look for that possibly during the day on Saturday. But then Saturday night, that moves off to the east. Cooler air settles in. And Sunday morning, we could start the day out in the low 30s in the coldest valley locations. I'd say here in the urban core, we'll probably be around 40 degrees. But then Sunday still looks like a nice cool day with mostly sunny skies and highs in the low and middle 60s. Monday, mid and upper 60s with mostly sunny skies, maybe just a few high clouds as Pacific weather systems continue to pass to the north of Arizona. And then this is a week from today, Tuesday the 23rd, and that looks like general troughing out here in the west with a mainly westerly or zonal type flow here over Arizona. High clouds around, temperatures right around average, probably 67 to 70. Here is Wednesday, the 24th, and that looks like another short wave entering the region here from the west. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period, Thursday, the 25th of January. And if this verifies, that looks like a very cool upper trough here over the southwest. Temperatures would be going well below average. The latest run of the GFS has us down in the upper 50s That could be interesting. And what about unsettled weather? Well, this kind of configuration, the short waves moving mainly over land, wouldn't suggest a whole lot of rainfall chances, although with much cooler air coming in, there could certainly be some dynamics. So at least some widely scattered light rain and snow showers possible. But that's way too far out to get any specifics right now. Let's check the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period, and it looks like we're going to be above average for the rest of the week. And then this weekend, temperatures cool off, and I actually suspect that next week is still going to be a little bit cooler than what is depicted here. So we'll look for that. That's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning, and if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there, folks, and have a great Tuesday.